Welcome and namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see Windsor Castle, which has been the family home of British kings and queens almost for 1000 years. It is an official residence of Her Majesty the Queen and still very much a working royal palace today. There are many convenient trains from London Paddington and London Waterloo to go to Windsor. I went by bus from Victoria Station. It took me approximately 45 minutes to reach to Windsor. On the way, both sides of the roads you can see beautiful landscapes and lot of greenery. Windsor is blessed with 20 miles of Thames riverside. You can see on both sides of the river there are many tourist activities taking place, such as boat rides, kayak tours and duck watching trips. There is plenty of parking, so if you are driving by yourself you need not to worry about parking. Now we have reached near castle. This is the first view of the castle. Here is full size bronze statue of Queen Victoria. It was unveiled in year 1887 to celebrate Queen Victoria's Golden Jubilee. This is a bus stop here. Now we are at the entrance of the castle. This is Henry VIII gateway. On the top of gateway you will notice royal coat of arms of British monarch. Look at this lamp post. It is decorated with royal cap. This is aerial view of the castle. Castle is spread across in 13 acres of land and has very beautiful landscape. This is a video shoot of a picture presented over there. Here you have to buy tickets. Now we are at Round Tower. Queen usually spends her weekend in this palace, so when she is inside, you will see royal flag flying on this tower. Right now she is not inside. William the Conqueror constructed Windsor Castle in year 1070. It took 16 years to complete the castle. The subsequent kings and queen have made additional construction and changes over the period of time. Now we are at Norman Gate. It is built by Edward III. After entering this gate, we will see upper ward where you will get to see state apartments. The state apartments include guest entrance, St. George Hall, Queen's audience and presence chambers. Look at the architecture. Here in this area you will see a bronze statue of Charles II on a horseback. Castle is surrounded by a number of beautiful gardens. Now we are going towards St. George Chapel, which is built in 14th century. It is a site of number of royal tombs and memorials. In 2018, Prince Harry and Miss Meghan Markle took marriage vows in this chapel. Now Queen has arrived. You can see flag is flying. Palace is in midst of forest, so you will see lot of thick green area around the palace. Now we are entering inside the Queen's doll's house. Inside the palace, they do not allow video shooting. So I have presented few pictures of inside the palace. There are beautifully decorated lobbies, royal halls. There is a Queen's throne room and many masterpieces of beautiful paintings. On the north terrace of the castle, you will see Winchester Tower. It is very tall. This is royal entrance into the palace with ER royal crest. ER stands for Elizabeth Regina. Regina in Latin means queen. Now we are going to see changing guard ceremony. The changing of guard is official ceremony during which existing guards on duty are replaced with new guards. It takes place every day. You can look at their uniforms and bearskin caps. Now the new guard has gone inside and the existing guard will come outside. Now they will go back. So changing guard ceremony is over. Windsor Castle was used as a refuge by royal family during the bombing campaigns in Second World War and survived a fire in year 1992. Because of its history, beautiful architecture and gardens, Windsor Castle is a popular tourist attraction. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and check on bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours, Desi Pardesi.